You know what's ironic? It's not how they treated you. That's just what people do. Disrespect, betrayal, stepping over you because they fail to perceive the threat you pose. But that's not the real irony. The irony? It's your silence. Yeah, your quiet, cold response. They never saw that coming. They expected you to react, to fight, to lose your cool like a child. But you didn't. You kept your silence, and that's a powerful weapon. It cuts deeper than any blade, strikes harder than any punch. When you say nothing, keep your cool, they don't know what to think. They start to question if they ever really knew you. And that's where you have the power. They disrespected you, laughed in your face. But what they don't realize is, this is just the beginning. The real fight starts now, and you've already won by staying silent, by letting them drown in their own foolishness. Silence is slow, it's deadly. It eats at them when they're alone, making them feel the weight of what they did. They lie awake, thinking about their words, their actions, and hearing nothing from you. That silence screams in their ears. It gets louder every night. As time goes by, they'll realize they messed with the wrong one. And you? You haven't even started. You win by letting them unravel in their own mess. Don't give them a glimpse into your thoughts. They want a reaction, but you're too smart for that. You've already beaten them by not playing their game. They think they can disrespect you and walk away. But silence is your secret weapon, your quiet revenge. Skip the anger, the shouting. That's for the weak. True strength comes from calm, from letting them underestimate you. They'll lose themselves because you chose to stay silent. Practicing silence isn't just about not responding. It's a powerful tool that helps avoid self-sabotage, allows you to listen more carefully, make more calculated decisions, and observe the situation fully. When you embrace silence, you give yourself the space to think, to plot, and to calculate your next moves without interference. This strategic silence is your fortress. It keeps you from making hasty decisions that could lead to your downfall. When I lost the Infinity War, I realized the true power of this silence. It offered me a moment to reflect on my missteps and reformulate a more formidable strategy in the quiet depths of my resolve. People expect noise, conflict, drama. When you're silent, you take that away. You leave them in the dark, guessing, questioning themselves. When they think back on how they treated you, they'll feel smaller each time, and they'll never see what's coming because to them, you've become a mystery, something to be feared. Here's the truth. They never respected you. They took your kindness for weakness, and they thought they could get away with it. Let them think they've won. But with time, they'll realize their victory is worthless. They'll see you've changed, and by then, it's too late. Your silence isn't just a response, it's their undoing. And soon you will see, respect is earned quietly, not loudly. It hurts, being disrespected by those you trusted and by those you loved. But use that pain. Turn it into strength, into a sharp edge to carve your path. Don't let it weaken you. The moment they see you break, they win. And we don't give out victories easily now, do we? No, you're better. Stronger. You control the game now, not them. Let them believe they have the upper hand. Because as they celebrate, they don't realize they're haunted by your silence. And when they finally seek your attention, your forgiveness, you'll know you've truly won. You chose to remain silent, and in that choice, you've gained the upper hand. When they see how badly they've messed up, stay silent. Just smile. Walk away. Your silence will be the loudest sound they ever hear. The world misunderstands power. They think it's about being the loudest, the one who can throw the hardest punch. But real power? It's quiet. It's the calm before the storm, the unseen threat. Right now, you are that threat. You let them think they've won, but you know the truth. You're not broken. You're just getting started. Every moment of silence only adds to the weight of their burdens. They think they know you, but they're fools. They see only what's in front of them, not the game you're playing. In your game, silence is your ultimate weapon. Remember, your silence is not weakness. It's the most dangerous weapon you possess. They expected you to react, to explode. But by giving them nothing, you've left them stuck, questioning everything. They're wondering what you'll do next, but they don't understand you've moved on. You're focusing on your future and your ultimate purpose, not on them. And that drives them mad. They say revenge is best served cold. But sometimes, the best revenge is no revenge at all. Let them deal with the consequences of their actions. They will destroy themselves. All you need to do is step back and watch. As they fall apart, you rise, stronger than before, using their disrespect as fuel. But don't use it on them. Build something greater, something that will make them regret ever crossing you. Don't lift a finger against them. Let your success be your revenge. But make no mistake, you're not letting them off easy. They've paid the price. They just don't realize it. Your silence is their punishment. Every time they see you thriving, living without a care, it hurts them more than any confrontation would. They thought you'd come back, beg for answers, for apologies. But you've shown you don't need them. Real power they can't fathom, and that's what truly breaks them. They thought they mattered to you, but you've shown them they're nothing, irrelevant. And that's what truly destroys them. You don't have to do anything. Your silence will haunt them forever. They'll try to forget, to move on, but it will always come back to them, reminding them they messed up. And the best part? You're not even thinking about them. You're on to a bigger purpose, chasing your dreams, living your life. They're stuck in their guilt, their shame. You don't have to lift a finger. Just let your silence speak for you. Your validation is the reaction you give them. They want to know they've impacted you, but you don't need anything from them. That's what makes you powerful, untouchable, and undefeatable. Life will throw people at you who try to bring you down, who disrespect and betray you. But they're just showing their own fears, their insecurities. They're afraid you'll see through them, realize you're above them. That's why they try to drag you down. But you're not playing their game. You're above it all. And every time they see you, every time they think about you, they'll be reminded that they never had power over you. Not then, not now, not ever. Your silence reminds them you're stronger than they'll ever be. And the worst for them is yet to come.